Now, ladies and gentlemen, the Harish Mahendra Memorial Global Award for Corporate Social Responsibility, and this coveted award goes to the Chairman and Director of Yamaha Motor Company Limited, Japan, Mr. Toru Hasegawa. Since assuming his responsibility, Mr. Hasegawa has applied his considerable talents and energies to restructuring the 46-year-old company and making it more focused on profits. He has paved the way to make Yamaha a more global standard management company that allows it to become a mirror in the competitive global markets. Giving Yamaha spirit, at least to Mr. Hasegawa's way of thinking, has meant instituting a range of reforms aimed at reorganizing the company's operating culture so that every business unit could operate as a company within a company. An employee since 1960, he has worked in various positions, facing a multitude of challenges, and is prepared to handle all the tests ahead of him. It is for these reasons and many more that Mr. Toru Hasegawa, Chairman and Director of Yamaha Japan, is chosen to receive the Harish Mahendra Memorial Global Award for Corporate Social Responsibility. I will now request Mr. Kamal Nath to kindly do us the honor. May I also request Mrs. Indira Mahendra to kindly rise from your seats so that we can recognize you as this award on behalf of your husband is being awarded. May I request you to receive the award, sir?
Can we request Radhika to come up?
Radhika, may I request you to come up, please?
Yeah, please join
and represent the family. Thank you so much. It is very gracious.
Harish was the backbone of this academy, so we are very happy to see Radhika with us.
Very gracious of Mrs. Indira Mahendra to be with us this evening. The award and the scroll. On all your behalves, I congratulate Mr. Toru Hasegawa and also request him to say a few words, short and sweet and brief, in response to this honor. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Toru Hasegawa.
Thank you, Ms. Serita Sethi. I'm Toru Hasegawa, the chairman of Yamaha Motor Company Limited. Namaste, इस प्रकार प्राधिकृत पुरस्कार पकार मैं अध्यक्ष श्री नानिक रूपानी तथा संवाद व्यक्तियों को धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ। Sounds like many people understand. I'm really glad. When I was first informed of this award reception, I considered politely declining, because even though we have had a long relationship with India since 1963, our motorcycle business has not yet made a significant contribution here in India. However, my feeling changed when I learned that the award is not only based on our activities in India. It reflects an evaluation of our work around the world and our effort to promote better communication between people. So I'm very happy to be here. Now let me say a few words about Yamaha. 1955, the motorcycle business was spun off from Yamaha Music Corporation and launched operations under the new name Yamaha Motor Company Limited. Last year, Yamaha Motor celebrate its 50th anniversary. Our exacting standard also produced outstanding results as we entered motorcycle racing. And this success on the racing circuit demonstrated the excellence of Yamaha motorcycle to people the world over. We Yamaha also have successfully diversified our business. The array of products are motorcycle, outboard motors, all-terrain vehicle, industrial robot, and biotechnology-based product. Another key to the Yamaha Motor way of doing business is localized approach to globalization. We are thinking globally and acting locally. We operate a number of factories in many countries and provide product to customers in more than 180 nations. Here in India, in line with this basic policy, we are focused on building an integrated business encompassing product development, manufacturing, and marketing. In order to realize our corporate vision, we pass on to the next generation the spirit of challenge and commitment to high quality and superb performance we inherited from our predecessors. As we move forward, I hope and believe that Yamaha Motor will grow into a still more essential presence on the global business stage. Thank you for your kind attention.
Thank you.